Okay, for our subtraction and our addition stories on Scratch Junior, we're going to start off with a blank screen. So choose just a blank colour, any colour. You can go into the select your colour and go to the paint tin, and that will colour in the background. And we don't want the cat. You can of course have it, but choose a different character if you wish. So I've chosen Jack. I'm going to put her in the left hand corner. At the very top with the ABC, this is where you can do like a heading or a title for your animation. So here we're going to put the equation, the sum of 6 plus 9 equals, with a question mark. Now we need to create characters for the numbers. So I'm just choosing shapes, but you can choose something different if you want. I've chosen here just created a orange triangle with the number 12 on it. So put down 4 shapes with 4 different numbers, making sure, of course, that you've got the correct number in amongst those numbers. You don't have to have shapes, you can choose different characters too and write the numbers on the characters. So we'll start off with TAC, with the code. Now we want this to be on the green flag because that's how it's going to start the animation. So she's going to do a little bit of a jiggle and then she's going to say, help me find the correct answer. And then the next thing that she says is these are the instructions for people to play. And it says click on the right number, so that people know that they have to click on the correct number. Now you need to code the numbers, which are the characters. So we'll start with number 14. And that, of course, 6 plus 9 does not equal 14. So we have to choose this start on tap character, which means that when we click on number 14, when we touch number 14 with our fingers, this is what happens. It's going to say, no, not me. And then we've added the fade, which means it kind of disappears after it said it. Now we'll do with number 17. Again, start on the tap character. And it's going to say, no, try again. And if we touch on number 17, it will say, no, try again, and then it's going to grow just a little bit. And number 12, again, start on tap character. And it's going to say, no, try once more. And 15, of course, is the correct answer. So again, the start on tap character. And it's going to grow because it's very excited. And it's going to say, yes, super work. So if you touch on number 15, that's going to say, yes, super work. It's going to do a little jig. Now, if you press the green flag, it starts it all off again. And if you touch on the numbers, it tells you to keep going until you find the correct answer. And then we've got page 2, which is a subtraction. The problem is, wouldn't it be great is after you do page 1, it automatically goes to page 2. So how can we do it? If you see that red one there's a little icon that says go to page 2. And if we click on the green flag, it goes through the jiggling, and then it goes through help me find the right answer. Click on the right answer, and then it goes straight to page 2. but you haven't had a chance to click on any numbers. So we'll go back to the code, and there's a little clock that says wait. If you put that in between the last speech, which is click on the right number, and the ending where it says to go to the next page, and we made it go 40 seconds. That means it waits 40 seconds. So you've got 40 seconds to find the right answer, and then it automatically goes to the next page. And it just keeps on going. You could even add a page 3 if you wanted. So I'm looking forward to seeing how you share your stories with me. Have fun.